In this video, you will learn how to find the volume of prisms and cylinders. So you already know how to find the volume of a rectangular prism. You find the area of the rectangular base, and then you multiply it by the height of that prism. So if the base is 5 by 3 and the height is 20, then you do 15 times 20. This process works the same way for other shapes too. So if the base is a circle instead of a rectangle, then you just need to find the area of that circle and then multiply it by the height. So let's say that this cylinder has a base with a diameter of 2. If the diameter is 2, then the radius would be 1, because that's then halfway across, would be 1. So then I can use my area formula for a circle, that the area equals pi times r squared. So the area would equal pi times 1 squared. 1 squared is just 1. So pi times 1. So the area would equal approximately 3.14. So that's the area of our base of the cylinder, this whole thing. I'll shade it in for us. We're just talking about that space, that area. Now, we also have a height, because this is not just a circle, this is a cylinder. And so that height, let's say that it's 3 units high. And we can kind of have a visual of those 3 units. So what this means is that this top section right here, that would be 1 high. So that would be 3.14 would be our volume for that section, because it's just 1 high. And then we'd have another 3.14 and another 3.14. So in the end, we would have the area of the base times the height. So 3.14 times 3, which would be 9.42 units cubed. Okay, let's try it again with a different shape. All right, so for example 2, let's do a triangle. Go ahead and give it a pause and see if you can find the volume of this triangular prism. And we're assuming that it's a right triangle on that triangular prism. Okay, so we need to find the area of the base, and then we need to multiply it by the height. Now the height, I can see right here, is 10. Because that's the length connecting the 2 triangle bases. So now I need to find the area of one of the base triangles here. And it's been labeled as a right triangle here, which means that to find the area of the triangle, I need to use the 2 sides that form that right angle. So my formula for area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Note here that this b is not the same as the area of the base up here. This is referring to the length of the triangle that is the base, not the area of the whole base. So I'm going to have 5 times 5 divided by 2 for my area of the base. So that gives me 12.5, and then I need to multiply that by the height. So 12.5 times 10 gives me 125. So the volume is 125 units cubed. Okay, now I want you to try a few. So we have our practice set. We've got a triangular prism, a hexagonal prism, and a cube. Find the volume of each one. Show all of your work.